Did you ever found your phone can't buzzle when receiving a message? Maybe it's because the Taptic engine can't work. Or it may get loose. Let me show you how to tear the phone down and fix it. First thing first, open the screen. This card is super handy. Remember, if you found it's too hard to open the gap, better add some glue remover. Battery check. Tape the cameras before separate the screen. Gonna remove these two parts to check the Taptic engine. This is the antenna or wireless connectivity module. It's responsible for managing the phone's signal for cellular, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connections. This is the SIM card tray for us to hold the card. Got you! It can't work anymore, so I'll set a new one in the phone. Always a hard part to connect the small cable. First check. I can't hear the buzzing. Maybe it's loose. Gonna screw them again. The back case need to be repaired too. It works. Sorry for the sound is low. Maybe you can't hear it.